first step is to loose the fan and remove the net and the blade to see the inside. You need to test the fan with multimeter. After that, you go to visual inspection. Yes, put your meter in a diode mode and test. Put your meter probe at the plug, AC plug, and test the gears. If the gears are reading, like this one now is big coil, the reading will be about 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7, gear 1, gear 2 and gear 3. So if the coil is reading normal, that means the coil is good. There are other things like bushing that can stop the fan from working. Yes, according to our meter reading here, it shows that the coils are working fine. So now let's open the main casing that covers the coil and check the bushings. Definitely the bushing, one of the bushing, I think this one now is bad because it's contained a lot of dirt. So you open it. You have to be very careful while opening this side, because any slightest mistake, the coil will be affected. Wash the spindle or the center rod with petrol or any other solvent or any other liquid substance that can clean grease or oil. Insert the spindle in the suspected faulty bushing. You see that it will have gap. It will be jerking and shaking. Now, remove the faulty bushing and replace it with a new one. Yes, here is a new bushing I want to use to replace the old one, the faulty one. So let's see how it goes. Yes, the bushing is successfully replaced now. So let's couple it and see. Before coupling it, you have to put some drops of engine oil in the front and back of the spindle so that there will not be wearing. It will be for smooth running. Always bear in mind while handling the coil that the coil is the most sensitive part of the fan. Any slightest mistake, one wire may cut, and once a single wire cut from the coil it will be faulty. So handle with care. Yes, now we are done with coupling. Let's test the fan and see whether what we have done is working or not. Stay close. Oh, the fan is working now. Wow, you've seen. Those bushing can stop the fan from working. You see the fan is turning now. Look closely. All the parts has been fixed. So let's plug the AC line and test it now and see for final confirmation. The AC line is plugged. I turn the switch knob now and test it and see. Yes, the fan is working. So guys, this is the conclusion of today's. If the video is informative and educative, if you like the video, please subscribe. Put all your questions down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.